Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, so what has happened? So we did a fresh rebuild in the last session. It has finished now. Let's see how it looks. So we have some libraries here in the top root, okay. And then we have dependencies here, okay. Yeah, and then we have generals MD, and that looks good on first sight. There's no G underscore. Word builder is upper caps. Yeah. Oh, but it says general. General ZH. Yeah, this is 0 hour. Yeah. I wonder if we should make the executable also uppercase. Generals.exe. Particle editor. Well, to be honest, I think it should be called generals.exe simply. The original name. So that it... Yeah, but then it overwrites the original executable. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think for now we should name it generals. So we got generals.zh, generals.zh, yeah. We call it also generals. Maybe we rename it later, but for now I think we just use the original name. Yeah. Or yeah. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, let's go with the original name for now. Okay, so this works well. Let's review our changes one by one. So this one, stage, yeah. G Vegas compression. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Generals. Okay. Here we could add some spacing. Mangler app, Mangler test app. Good. That looks good. Rename all targets. By the way, before we continue, let's also double check that the lib files don't have the prefix. Codes, game engine, looks good. Looks good. Good. Yep. Yep. Yeah, seems to be fine. Let's check generals. Looks good. Yeah, seems to be fine. For 0 hour, let me delete the generals ZH. Let me delete these guys and rebuild once more. Okay, rename all targets of generals and 0 hour. Rename rename all targets with G prefix for generals and Z prefix for 0 hour. Rename. Okay, we commit that. Good. And then the next step, we need to add tools for generals. Let me see. Let's put it side by side. So we take this guy, put it in a new folder. Okay. So let's see. So we have generals MD. So generals. So we have codes, tools. Okay, so what do we have here? They look very similar. So we have asset cal. We don't have asset cal there. Okay. What about auto run? Auto run. And let's add one by one slowly. So we take this guy and we take all these guys and these guys. and these. Okay. I think we also need to add this one. It's already here. Okay. Let me open this one. Oof, why is it so big? Okay, so how about we do... So we don't need this one. We start with auto run. Oh boy. Okay, and we also have world builder in here and particle editor already. Okay, good. Good. Then we can close this one. We can remove these. Actually, I think we should do all tools, not just a few, because if we change tools on 0 hour in some regards, then it might be mismatching with generals. I don't know. So maybe it's a good idea to keep these things in sync. Yeah. Separate. So right now, generals is using... Hold on. What about this stuff here? Let's not build the particle editor yet. The auto run, I mean. Let me make a lookup here in Z. So generals uses Z profile. I'm not sure if it should do that. It probably should use G profile. Let's go here to code main libraries. Oh, compression. Oh, it doesn't add compression here. So if this profile thing does not exist in here, then can't we just remove this here? Does it need it? Maybe it doesn't. Let me see. Let's see if that will compile. Okay, so I see a little bit of a problem here. So hold on, it does have compression. It does have EA browser dispatch, game spy. It doesn't have profile. Yeah. Okay, so what kind of Zs are used there? Z compression and browser dispatch. Yeah. Oh, here I also see an error. We should merge that down. Hold on. Here, this one. Amend commits. There we go. Okay, then, so if this compiles, then we can remove the Z profile, but to me it looks like we should add compression and EA browser dispatch, even if they are identical. Yeah. Let's add the cmake here. And compression we add here. Yeah. Then we go to libraries, source, compression, cmake. So we have compression here. So this should be called G compression. There we go. And this one we call G browser dispatch. There we go. This we call G browser dispatch win. There we go. Okay. And then let's go to our source Vegas. How do we do it here? Hold on. Let's go to here, source. Source profile. Source profile. I'm a bit surprised. Why is there only 2 folders here? I would have expected also the browser dispatch and the compression. Where is this being referenced? Compression. Let's see. How is this being... I don't understand where compression is being added as a directory. How do we know that this is a guy? I don't see it right now. Okay, but basically what we want to do is we want to change this to G, right? I just don't see right now how it gets this thing in 0 hour. How does it read this file? Why can't we click here? I don't understand. Would have liked to look in there. Okay, so why is there no add subdirectory for compression and so on? That I don't understand. So there is for profile. Maybe we should add it. Add subdirectory source EA browser dispatch and compression. And then we take that and we also add it to here. I don't quite understand why 0 hour didn't already have that. That's suspicious. Okay, this one has worked. Then let's see what happens when we now put in here the browser dispatch and the compression. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Good. Okay, we got errors. Uh-oh. What are the errors? Fatal error. cmake error. Libraries. The binary directory is already used. Where's this used then? Where's this referenced? I would like to see that. Oh. Okay, it's really high up the chain somehow. Yeah. I don't know why it was done like this. Because it's added even before we get to this here. Maybe because maybe the idea was here because we can build either target and then we need both of these. Yeah. I would say we put it here. Yeah, compression manager shared between games. Diff is comments only. Compression manager. Compression. Is there an advantage to having them separate if they are otherwise identical? Like, let's say we only touch 0 hour and do changes, then you would break the compilation with generals because generals would maybe still use a different interface for the compression lib. So then you would need to touch generals, but maybe you don't want that. And maybe that's why you would like to have these compression libraries separate from each other, right? Yeah. So I think Does it make sense to share this? Maybe it should be separate. Yeah. Yeah. We only share the external libs. Oof, but that's already a lot, right? Yeah. By the way, here in this, I don't know why Lucky1GS put a mockup for in-game lobby function in this topic. This is about patch loader, not about the lobby. Full integration with Steam and friends list. Here's how it could look like inside the menu. Yeah, it seems to be, I mean, it's a nice work, but it seems to be unrelated to this. So let me set it on hide. It's off topic. I really appreciate the effort here, but here I suggested can we move it into a new report or discussion because it doesn't really fit in here. So I would put it to off topic. Yeah, there's the other stuff that belongs. Yeah. Good. Let's see what kind of activity we have here. There was activity regarding local. We should probably go to our repositories. Go to game codes. Go to no, not game code. Go to patch. Go to pull requests. To make the text compile correctly. Critical text. I don't know why these are two changes. Should have just could have made it one change. Yeah, but these should be merged now because they destroy. Okay, so basically, let's check it once more. Yeah, quote here, quote there. Okay, so we approve this one. Squash. Fix strings. Fix quote error. Fix quote error in Russian texts. Fix quotation. Quotation error. Okay. Ukrainian text. Okay. Good. Okay, it's still compiling. That's a good sign. Yeah. Then I think we can already continue. So let's go to tools. Tools. Good. So we are looking at auto run, right? Auto run. Good. So we have copied the auto run in here, and we hope that they are pretty much a match. Then it will be easy. Man, compilation is so slow. Oh my gosh. Okay. USDEFR. What's happening here? I don't know if the translation is correct. Maybe it is, maybe not. But there's a spacing issue. Spacing. This change already does again things which don't relate to these numbers. This change does not relate to numbers. Some others too. The bottom the bottom 4 strings need to be documented that all languages except DE were added by us. Does the comma really make sense? Does the number comma really make sense? Basically, well, commas are already used for the number lists. Let me see. US English number thousands. English numerals. Okay, there's a comma. Some style guides recommend avoidance of the comma as either separator and the use of the period. Here they use comma everywhere. What about the German numerals? Is that a page? German numerals? No. German number thousands. German dot. Decimal point and not a comma. Yeah. Yeah, so it seems, yeah, it's I would also say that the comma for thousand seems unlikely. I think there was one number I saw where German did use a dot instead of a comma. Right, let me find that. Yeah, here, see. Let me put a comment. I think comma makes more sense for German numbers. dot makes more sense. Yeah. Okay, and then we can also add a comment. By the way, let's check this. Okay, this has completed. Nice. Then let's test the auto run. And we add a comment here. Add comments to top of files which languages which language numbers were fixed. Add comment to top of file, please. Add comment to top of file about which language numbers were fixed. Were polished, not fixed, polished. Comments. Okay. Okay, we got an error. Ah, okay. Let's see, auto run. Let's open it. Auto run generals. Cmake lists. Set up auto run. There we go. G. GI. There we go. All right. Let's see if that compiles. Maybe we should change the cmake configuration. Let's see. I'm inclined to rename this as well, this option name. So we have build 0 hour tools, build generals tools, and here it's flipped. So how about we say build 0 hour. I think that's much simpler. Yeah, let's do that. And then here we say build generals. There we go. Let's remove this to do. And then, so for our case, we want to do minus d build 0 hour equals off tools off build generals off. Well, that needs to be on, and generals tools on. Yeah, okay, so we skip building 0 hour. Yeah, let's do that. And also maybe for the time being, we can also do a release first, because that will be simpler. Okay, so that has errors. Let's cd. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we only build generals. Okay. All right. Okay. Good. Let's create a change. Oh, here. Yeah. Rename this. Rename this to build. Rename cmake options this to that. Yeah. Commit. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we're just focusing on generals. Our efforts. Let's see how far we can get this session. Maybe we can get it done, all tools. I don't think so. But hopefully we can get far. Yeah, that would be great. Okay, so we want to have it. I think we can already submit this, right? This. So we add this one and this and this. And this one looks not quite right. Hold on. Library. Yeah, here we have an error. GI. Okay. Okay, let's rebuild. Good. Yeah, this one is a bit unholy side. Should become one change here. Yeah. How about regarding compression? Generals, library, source, compression, cmake. Why don't we move this guy here closer to the includes? Or here to the top. I think that's better. Then we do the same. On that note, how about we polish the tools a little bit? Before we copy them over. Plug lib. Where's the cmake? Here. So how about we move this here. This here. Properties, output name, suffix. Okay, outrun is failing, yeah. We'll check it shortly. version updates. Oof. Target goes here. Okay. That's nice. Sources. Oh. I think this one should not be here. How about we put that also in quotes? Okay, match bots. Okay. Okay. Goes in here. Okay. Mangler. Mangler source. Mm-hmm. Okay. cmake launcher. Okay, .gen. Okay. Image packer. Okay. All right. The reason I'm doing is because why do we have this as a separate list where we don't have the same thing for the others, right? Might as well just make it all consistent, because otherwise maybe a bit confusing. Like, why does it have to be separate here? Right. Strange that when I copy paste it, it always removes the indentation. Good. I'm making good progress here. Compress. Some monkey work. That's all right. cmake lists. We need to copy this arrow cur, auto run arrow cur. Arrow cur. Let's copy this one over. Let's try it again. Okay, so looking at auto run, Babylon, yeah, cmake lists. Auto run sources here. We should probably indent this thing here. Oops. Like that. Okay. Let's go to the tools here. Actually, there was one more. Macro, yeah. Mauswaff. Mouse. Oof. Okay. Browser dispatch. Browser dispatch. Okay, so my hope is that we can remove this one then. Okay, that is completed. Excellent. Then I think we can remove this. Yeah. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good. So we stage this one. We stage that. And that's only one. I'm looking for 2. Huh? 3, I mean. Huh? What happened? Z profile. Why is this not found anywhere? Ah, there we go. Okay, that one. And that one. And that one. So we have compression. Browser dispatch. Compression. Okay. Use remove Z profile target from generals. Add G compression G browser dispatch. Remove target Z profile from generals. Add targets G to generals. Commit. There we go. The next step is we did a bunch of refactorings here. That one should be good. Let's actually, well, we should build all now because we touched all. Let's put this on and on. Let's go to, let's turn everything on again. Okay, good. So we did this. that. So these things that sit inside the macros, that's a little bit unholy, isn't it? Yeah. Let me see. How does this actually look here? Main. Maybe the change I did there was not that great now. Let me see. Game engine, source, cmake this. Sources, game engine. Oof. Oof. I think that's why he puts it at the end, because the list becomes so large. Yeah. So every time we add a new file, we then have to go in here and we have to add it to two different places here in this list. Oh, that's It's really annoying, isn't it? So we need to find a place here and then down in the includes. Oof. Well, unless it's alphabetically sorted. I feel like we should unify the way that the source files are set. It's we have different kind of methods that the way it's done, right? So the question, so all the changes I just did here, do we want to keep it or not? I would say we revert all these changes we just did here. I think it's kind of desirable that we have the source file is at the top, because that's the thing that you visit the cmake file for most of the time, to add some new entries in there. So I think we should put it to the top in every file. Let's reset all the work we just did here. Yeah. And let's revisit them once more. So we have pluglib, and we have the sources at the top. How about we add this guy here, sources, and then link libraries in that order. Okay. Word builder, cmake, sources, Let's move the sources up here. There we go. No need to be at the bottom. So we can remove this text. Can remove this text. Oops. Let's move this one here up. Target sources. Oof, what happened here with the formatting now? What the hell? That's weird. Good. Okay, move this guy here. Go here. All right. Debug window. Da-da. Okay. Sources already correct. Okay. So for main, for game engine. So we have target sources down here. Okay, so what we do here, set, what is the syntax? Like that. So we say here, game engine device source. And we take this full list. And we also put it in here. And then here we use, how do we write this? This one here. Mm-hmm. Do here game engine device source. I take this list here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, game engine source. Yeah, are we happy with this kind of formatting? I hope so. Oof. Oof. Mm-hmm. Compression source. Mm-hmm. Set profile source. Okay. Mm-hmm. There's quite a lot of changes though. Oof. Okay, that's already at the top. That's good. Okay, it seems to be fine. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, it touched a lot of stuff. Moved a little bit here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, that still did not compile. Patch get. Debug. Okay. Oof. Patch get debug error. Okay, that's new. What is this problem? Patch get. Patch get. There we go. Debug.h. Debug.h. There we go. Okay, we put this namespace in the previous session. Patch get. Syntax error. Line 75. 75. Missing namespace patch gets. Why is this complaining? Same in chat API. Line 44. Huh? Namespace patch get. Syntax error. Missing semicolon before that. Why? Missing function header. Missing function header. It's a namespace. Huh? Generates MD. I don't get it. Debug.h, debug.h, debug. Why is this erroring? Error, syntax error, missing semicolon before that. Why? There's a namespace. So maybe there's no pragma once here. If def debug. Ah, hold on. If def. Where does this end here? This. Here. I see. Okay, there we go. I see the problem. So we have to move this guy. We have to move this guy. And if def. debug h and if else. So yeah, so the problem is it doesn't see this one, right? So we have to move it either here. Is that good enough? Yeah, probably. Yeah. Yeah. Then let's see if that compiles. Okay, we got an error again. Those sources given to game engine. Oof. What? How's that possible? How's that possible? Oh, it's game engine device. There we go. Let's try that. I wonder if we can simplify this to just source files and just have one name for all instead of giving everyone different names. Yeah, maybe. Now we need to wait. There's just too much information here right now. I don't know what to keep up with. Let me remove these comments here. It's already gone. Let's remove this. It's not a big change. Okay, that compiled successfully. That's great. Then let's also apply the same stuff to generals. So we go to World Builder. Okay. We go to Particle Editor. Particle Editor. CPP, that's okay. .h, right. Okay, then let's go back here. Okay, so so we have particle editor, and then we also do this one. That one is already okay. Then we go here. That one is okay. Then we go source compression. We take this guy. Set compression source. There we go. Oof. All right. Compression source. Ta-da. This actually would be a good job for an AI to refactor, but yeah, probably would make mistakes. Okay, and then we do the same here for game engine. Set game engine source. Take all that. There we go. Right, private dollar. There we go. Game engine device. Set game engine device source. Right. And there. Okay. So I think we adjusted it all, and basically we moved the headers to the top of the files, right? Yeah. I hope that is okay. We also fixed this one compiler bug. Debug here. Fix compile fix patch get compile error in release. Or let's say in non-debug. Yeah, and then so this guy, let's go. So this one, this, dot, 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 okay. Particle editor. I'm actually not sure if it's necessary to move these guys up here. Maybe we just leave them down there. But they feel kind of lonely down here, right? I don't know. Yeah, I think it's okay. Sources. Okay, how about we build this and see if it works. Stage. Okay. Yeah, so basically the header source files, they should now be at the top of the various files, cmakes. Maybe there's some we missed, maybe. Yeah. Okay. If this compiles, we submit this one. So that is move source file lists to the top of cmake lists.txt. Move source file lists to the top of cmake. I think so far looks good. Yeah, that has succeeded. Okay, then we can submit that. Move source file list to the top. Okay, commits. Okay, then we remove the comments here. Remove unnecessary code comments. Right, and then we can add this one here. Yeah. Add cmake scripts for generals auto run. We should add this one here as well. Generals auto run. Okay. Okay, then let's try to add more thingies. So we have Babylon. Babylon. cmake lists. And then we go to tools. I need water. All right. So tools here. No. Tools, cmake list. There we go. Okay, so we enable Babylon and we see if it compiles. By the way, we did compile 0 hour as well, right? Hopefully. Oh, if not, yeah, we do. Okay, fatal error. What is the error? Oh, Babylon. Aha. Right. cmake Babylon source G Babylon. There we go. There we go. Fixed. Good. There we go. Still failing. No sources given. Oh. Why not? No sources given to target. G Babylon. Babylon. 54. But we have them. We have them here. Here? Or not? Huh? I don't understand. Looks okay. I'm kind of surprised that it takes so long to kick off this thing. Like, what is it doing at the start? It's really slow. Okay, it fails and it makes no sense. cmake error. Cannot find source file Babylon. Aha, okay. Okay, so there are some file differences. Let's see. Babylon, CPP. Babylon. Aha. Nox string. So it's called Nox string here for some reason. Nox string. Then maybe we should go here and call it Nox string. Nox string. And then okay, so it looks like they renamed the Babylon here. Nox string dialog. Nox string, yeah. So it looks like they renamed this here, right? There we go. Nox string. Match dialog. Yeah. And then we move these guys. So Nox N MN here. What is happening with the formatting? It's unbelievable. Jesus Christ. It's so bad. Outrageous. Okay, maybe this will work. Let's see. It starts. Okay. Babylon. I think Nox Strings is a cooler name than Babylon. They should have kept that name. Yeah. Okay, that compiles. That's great. Then let's add that tool as well. So we add this one here and this one. Add, what do we call it? Add cmake scripts for generals Babylon. Okay. Commit. Next one. Next we do build version update. That should be simple enough. There we go. G build version update. There we go. There we go. All right. And here, I think we can already do the next one. Compress as well. Compress. Compress. Okay, it's also simple enough. Compress. Let's see. G compress. Do G compression. All right, compress. Okay, then we can already do the next one as well. These guys were kind of simple. Let's do CSC diff until we hit a more complicated one. Yeah. So this one, CSC diff. G. That one also looks kind of simple. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see if that builds. So we added 3 more tools. Then we can prepare these guys. This one. That. Okay. Oops. So this is add cmake scripts for generals. Build version update, compress crc diff. All right. Let it run through. Maybe we'll get these done in this session. I'm not sure. Could be a bit more complicated. Yeah. Okay, that has succeeded. Great. Commit that. Okay, next. So next is debug window. Debug window. Yeah. Then we go in here. Debug window. G. There we go. Okay. And then we add this guy here. Debug window. We should probably, let's take the double commander. Let's go to yeah, debug. Yeah. Looks kind of the same. Yeah. Okay. Let's do the next one. GUI edit as well. GUI edit. GUI. All right. Okay, this one has a bit more in store. Let's see. GUI edit. Yeah. G GUI edit. Oops. G GI. GI, okay. Good. How about we test that? See if that compiles. So far, so good. No complications. Oh, we only added GUI edit? Thought we added something else. Debug window, where is it? Huh? 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 Where did the debug window go? What? I'm confused. Did we add the debug window here? It's here. Oh, I think I know why. There's this git ignore here, right? Yeah, this one here, which ignores this shit. Yeah. Profile. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's see if that compiles. Yeah. So that is at cmake scripts for generals, debug window, GUI edit. Yo. Yo, that's good. That has succeeded. Great. Then we can submit that. Okay, next, image packer. Code tools, image packer, dum. Let's hope it's the same. Yeah. Let's see, image packer and image packer, G image packer. There we go. Right, and compile it. Next one, launcher. Yeah, launcher. So let's see, make this here. Launcher. And .gen as well. There we go. And what about toolkit? Debug. Toolkit. Yeah. Okay. So image picker should be okay. So let's see here. We have this one. G launcher. 1, 2, 3. Dum. Okay. And the gen. G. Bum. Okay. All right. We wait for this guy. Launch out. And we can already do the next one. Mangler. That also looks very similar, if not identical. WLib. Yeah, should be fine. So we go for Mangler and G Mangler lib. Dum. Okay, and then we have Mangler gmangler tom and the mangler test. There we go. All right, simple enough. Mangler, good. And then we can enable the mangler here and the launcher. Good. So we have image picker, launcher, and mangler. Let's see if that compiles. Then we can prepare these guys. So we have the mangler. Looks good. Detgen, good. Good. Yeah. Aha, I see an error here. Image picker. GI. There we go. Z profile, remove. G, game engine. There we go. Okay. Launcher. Okay, that looks good. Detgen. Looks good. Mangler. Looks all right. Good. Let me take these guys. Okay, I'm making good progress here. Let's see if we can power through. Would be great. Yeah. Man. So much work. So much work. But I think once this is done, we have a good build foundation. And then I want to continue with Visual Studio 2022 upgrade. Get all the compiler errors out with the least amount of changes. And then it will be interesting if we run. So we know that the VS6 build that we made is compatible with 1.04. That seems to work. It will be interesting if we do like a compiler upgrade, a compiler against modern SDK, if that will actually work, like being compatible. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, it's unclear. I guess the easiest way to verify is simply test, see what happens, see if there are mismatches. Good, that is great. So this works. But I think we made some more changes. Let's build it once more. Yeah. Okay. Detgen. Launcher. Sorry. Good. So this will be add cmake scripts for generals. Image picker, launcher, Detgen, mangler. And yeah, it's not much left here. We are nearing completion. Making good progress. Okay, let's go already to the next one. Map cache builder. That one should be simple. There we go. Let's actually do the match bot as well. Yeah. This one has 1818, yeah, okay. And particle editor's already done. Patch get. Let's do this as well. So we have 3. And then we take these guys here. And that should be it, yeah. Okay, let's do these guys. So cmake lists. This guy, matchbot, patch get, save, G, Dum, 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 dum. Matchbot. Dum, 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 dum. All right. And patch get. Patch grabber. G patch get. Badum. Badum. There we go. All right. And we need to remove this one here. Right? Yeah, which means it's also still in here. Patch get, patch, cmake lists. Remove this one. Good. Yeah. By the way, let me see real quick here. Doesn't matter. Good. Patch get. Did we fix it? Yeah. Good. Good. So that one we have set up, right? Yeah. Then let's compile it. Let's see if that works. Good. We then can prepare. Next step here. So these three guys. This one. Hold on. There's still an error. Yeah. Map cache builder. Map cache builder. We take this guy, this one, and these. Profile we can delete. Matchbot looks fine. Patch get. Ta-dum, ta-dum, ta-dum. Okay. Texture, good. Patch get, okay. Good, so this one is good. This one still has a G profile in here. Hold on. That is not quite right. That is not right. There we go. All right. Good. So matchbot looks good. This one looks fine. Man, there's not much left. Amazing. There we go. Good. Then we can. Oh, there's an error. Matcha CPP. So what did we change in the matcha CPP? Let me see. Here, the callback stuff. We have it open right now. Connect callback. Let's search for this one. There we go. So we replace it with this one. Yeah. There we go. And then we have this guy, which is Nick error callback. Nick, yeah. And that one we replace with this one. Nick error callback. There we go. All right. And that should then compile, no? Cmake lists. Yeah, that would probably work. Yeah. Good. Let's try that. Let's double check that there are no CPP changes in these guys here. Okay, so this one will be add cmake scripts for map cache for generals. Generals map cache builder match bot and patch get. Map cache builder match bot patch get. Yeah, good. Let's wait. Okay, still error. Matcher CPP 178 178. Oh, well, no idea how that happened. Interesting. Yeah, very interesting. Okay, then let me try again. The problem I see right now is the map fixing, that they work on binary files, so it's impossible to revision this, right? So we need to trust that the edits are good, but it's the same for textures, right? Like you would have to actually load it and look at it to see if it's good or not. Yeah. Yeah, I think plain text for maps would also be great. Plain text formats, yeah. But we need to start with SCB first. Well, before that, W3D I think is more important. We need plain text for models. I think that's, for tooling, it's one of the highest priorities. Yeah. QEL started working on this, but he dropped it or paused it. Yeah, I doubt that. Yeah, I don't know if anyone will ever pick it up again or continue it. Yeah, it'd probably be 2, 3, 4 months worth of work. Yeah. Yeah, we just need a command line tool. Doesn't need to be fancy. Yeah. Yeah, maybe, I don't know if we will get it done this year, maybe next year. Yeah. Now there's, I mean, with SIME being obsolete, it is a lot of time saving, but now with all the work we still have to do, there's, you know, a lot of stuff we need to do now. Yeah. I see already comments in YouTube that ask, when will the beta be ready? I think those that ask this question, they don't realize what mountain of work there is waiting, right? Okay, chat API is a problem. Matchbot. No, which one is it? Patch-get. Chat API. Chat API. Oof. Let's go to Chat API. Okay, let's search for this guy. There we go. And then we go to, oh man, where's it? This one. We copy this guy and we drop it in here. There we go. Okay. Good. Is this the only one? Yeah, the other changes we can do another time. Let me test debug. Okay, let's compile one more. Yeah. Okay, the compile's great. Good, let's commit this guy. And now we can submit these two. Fix, release, compile errors in matcher.cpp, chat API.cpp. Okay, and then we do next one. Texture compress. That one looks simple. What else do we have? Timing test. There we go. Version update. There we go. WL setup. There we go. Okay. One more. cmake. Plug lib. Right. All right. cmake. Good. Then we have these guys, and we can hook them up. These were the last ones now. Good. So we put them all in at once. Good. So texture compress, right? Texture compress. There we go. G texture compress. All right. That looks good. Timing tests. Hold on, are there any? No. Timing test, okay. G version update, great. WOL setup, great. And plug lib. Okay, and that one G. Yeah, this this looks good if it compiles. Yeah, let's test it. Man, that was took like 1 hour to do all the tools. Before that, we spent like 1 hour to do some refactoring. What's the time? Oh, close to 3 hours. Oof. Yeah, let's try to finish it. Looks like we're now spending every midweek evening with 5 hours. Yeah. I mean, if we do 5 hours every day, so 5 times 5, 25 hours. And then a weekend, I can probably manage to do 8 plus hours. So that would be 16. I can probably do 40 hours a week working on this. No, I can do 40 hours. That's one job. One full-time job I can do every week. Besides my other full-time job, which also takes 40 hours. So it is 80-hour weeks. Yeah. Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, typically, I do like historically, like the last months, probably did like 20 to 30 hours per week. But I mean, if I really spend more, I can probably do 40. Yeah, maybe even more. But I think 40 is already plenty. I don't have to stress it. 40 is already a lot. Yeah. Sometimes when I have a good weekend day, it can also be 10 plus hours in a day. Like if I'm really well focused working on something, I can really like. It's important to get like in a frenzy, so to say, like really focus. If you really like concentrated on something, that's the best. Like, because then you can really power through a lot. It's hard to be distracted by many different things and doing all kinds of different things. Just focusing on one thing, that's the best. Yeah, right now I'm kind of distracted by doing all sorts of things, like setting up repositories and meetings, and I would just like to concentrate on one thing and just drive it, and that's the easiest. Yeah. Good. It compiled. So that's good. Yeah. That's good. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm actually not sure if I rebuilt it correctly. Let's do it one more time. But it looks good. Let's double check that the files are there actually. Yeah, maybe the files are not there. So we got to build VC6 and generals, and boom, we got all sorts of files. Strangely, in patch grabber N, the icon is missing. Yeah, I don't know why that is. Doesn't matter, I guess. Okay, we built all sorts of things. Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah. Great. Fantastic. Fantastic. Here we have a PDB. When we build debug, yeah, we have a PDB. Right. Good. Then we can submit that. add cmake scripts for generals, texture, compress, timing, tests, version, updates, wall setup, and plug lib max to w3d. Add cmake scripts for generals, blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay, so take all these guys. Okay, commit. Okay, then I think there's only one thing left now, and that is compiling it in debug, and that should error because of patch get, and then we need to fix that up. So let's go up here. Let's do. So we do debug again, debug configuration with all. Let's actually let's turn 0 hour off to make sure that we don't have any dependencies to 0 hour, right? It would error if there was a dependency still left that we have missed, which is possible actually, because did we carefully look? Hold on, I may have missed here something. Let me see. That one looks fine. 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 Okay, never mind. Good. So we want to, where is it? I already forgot what I wanted to do. We wanted to what did I want to do? Wanted to build debug, right? So we turn 0 hour off, generals is on, okay, and then we punch that in. Okay. Okay, so we want to do, right, hold on, cd, okay, and cmake, okay. So now it should build a debug, and we should get only a compile error in patch get. Everything else should work. Yeah, we can already start looking what we need to do in patch get. Basically the same that we did to 0 hour. What is the best way to transfer that? Can we just copy the files from, I don't know. Let's see. What we can do, what we can try to do, we go to tools, we go to patch get, yeah, and then we simply copy all the files over and you see what happens. I mean, we will see in the diff if it's healthy or not. Let's see. So we copy this over, yeah, and then we check it. Let's see. Aha, okay, this one we need to reset. That one as well. That one we take, except for this one. It's kind of wild they put the... Oh. This one doesn't have a copyright notice here, the patch get. Ha 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 ha. Well, we remove it. There we go. Registry. Yeah, we remove that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, well, that looks good. That looks good. Oh, the monkey work. Uh-huh. What is this? Huh. Interesting. 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 Here it looks like that. Huh. 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 Interesting. Well, we will revert all that. Yeah, and that. Okay. Okay. I think that looks good. This one is interesting. I think what this means is let me, I think this one actually we can document. Oh, whoops. So we got 2 wind blows. The super hackers. Add fix. Fix compile errors. Fix 1303 25. Fixes debug compile errors by fixes patch get fixes debug compile errors by adding patch get namespaces, say linker errors, debug linker errors by adding patch get namespaces and these globals here. And then we can add the same comments here. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's still compiling. I wonder if we have fixed the code before. Huh. Yes. Let's go to the cmake. Cmake, patch get, cmake. Oh, I see an error here. So this should actually not work correctly. Hold on. We are in the wrong folder. There we go. There we go. I was expecting. Yeah, I find this here very curious. Let's reset that. Okay, so this might work. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's have it run through, and when it's done, we do it one more time. Yeah. We only compile generals debug. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. 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 Man, the compilation is so slow. Oh, looking forward to the modern compiler with threading. Yeah. Yeah, and I assume there's probably also a good chance that the includes are very unoptimized, because back in the day they probably didn't have any tools to inspect expensive headers, right? Yeah. There were probably already like best practices, but like you couldn't really tell like, okay, what is actually slowing down the compilation, right? Yeah. Nowadays there are tools that show you exactly what is slow. I'm still enjoying the thunderstorms over the fields, by the way. Yeah, it's very relaxing. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, slow compilation sucks. Yeah. And it's not very straightforward to fix it. Unless you have a good understanding of what the compiler does. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, actually it helps that the tools are pretty much identical across the board. Then, yeah, easier to maintain. Okay. We're making progress. That's all that matters, right? I mean, it would have been great if we already had like the whole compilation pipeline in place, but yeah, we are not the fastest and not the smartest. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Did we get any additional comments here? No. Yeah, it would be great if someone can take ownership of the Clang format stuff and make some suggestions as to what it should look like. So my impression is that the W3D hub guys, they want to go with the Clang format, and OmniBlade is also very pro format. Yeah. I mean, in the long run, it certainly is a proper choice. In the short term, maybe not. Yeah. But it's okay. It doesn't slow me down, let's say. It doesn't slow me down. If the formatting is properly set up, it doesn't annoy me too big. Yeah. But for me, it already would be enough if the code formatting would just fix wide formatting like this one here, where you have like weird indentation and spacings and right stuff like that. That would already be sufficient for me. Yeah. All right. So what's the compilation? Oh, we got an error. Okay. It's a chat API. We need to recompile it. So we do that. Let's make sure we have everything saved. Yeah. Let's try it again. Good. So fix generals patch get in debug. Oh, it still fails. Uh-oh. Oof. Error lists. Oof. Okay. Chat API CPP. Chat API CPP. Line 70. Huh? 70 list. Here, std list. Huh. Huh. Why? But the list is here. Did we chat API? Did we make a mistake here? Huh. Namespace patch get. Okay, that is a bummer. Missing before It doesn't recognize lists. It's not a member of std. To me, this indicates that there's some scoping issue. No? Poof. But our changes look pretty clean. Right? I don't see any dirt here. Looks pretty okay. Huh. Let's check the cmake script. We use G. Yeah. Huh. Okay. Why is this failing? std list. It's including list. So this thing, it's the same here. So if that has worked, then this one should work as well. Or not? Yeah. Generals, patch get, chat API. List is not a member of std. List is not a member of std. Why not? Why? That's tricky. It's not a member of std. 91. Line 91. std string. Well, string is not explicitly included by the looks of it. But that shouldn't stop lists. Man. Download manager. String. Is not a member of std. Undeclared identifier. Left of dot size must have class struct union. Oh, man, what is this problem? Oh, it's probably something stupid again. Oh, man. Man. Include list. Namespace looks good here. Download manager. What about that one? Pack my ones. Looks okay. This one looks okay. What else is included? Wind blows. Oh, wind blows is included. Oh. Huh. And here we include chat API. Oh, that's kind of weird. Yeah, but shouldn't be a problem. Yeah. I don't know why this happens. Why is it not seeing lists? We're just including it here. Let's run it one more time. Let's see if we saved. Yeah. Man. Huh. I don't know. It is persistent. There is some problem with Chat API. Boah. Can we solve this now? Or do we have to look at it next session? I'm kind of tired already. Yeah. Yeah. Chat API, why is this? I mean, 0 hour has the very same code and it's not erroring. Why is general it's erroring? Everything is the same. Huh? There must be some super stupid reason for this. Oh. I don't know. I think I need a break. Fix debug linker error in general patch get does not work. Fix debug. Okay. Yeah. Let's check it next session. I don't know right now. I will just have it submitted here so I can push it to remote. Yeah. I will write OmniBlade what I've done, and then I will look at this thing one more time next session. Okay. I will end it here. It has been 3 hours 25. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.